Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I want to talk about our replacement fuel injector control module engine harness. This is sometimes referred to as a FICM, F-I-C-M, and this harness is going to fit the 2003 to 2007 Ford 6.0 liter Power Stroke diesel engines, which are in the F250, 350, 450, 550, as well as the Excursion. So this is a complete replacement ignition harness. The two plugs over here are going to plug directly into your FICM, which is the module under the hood that controls the fuel injectors. You'll have one ground connection over here that'll be screwed to a chassis ground, and then all the other connections you have here are going to plug into their various fuel injectors. So you'll see there's 2, 4, 6, and then 8 connections, one for each of the injectors. And then if you look along the harness, you'll see we have the factory mounting points to mount the harness around the engine. So this harness is a complete replacement. The factory ones corrode and melt over time. You can go ahead, remove your old harness, plug this one right back in, and get your 6.0 Power Stroke running properly again.